Today, I'm diving into the wild world of AI and I'm challenging myself to see just how much it's really taking over our daily lives and even our wallets. AI, or artificial intelligence, has become a buzzword in recent years, and for good reason. It's everywhere, from our smartphones to our homes, and even in our jobs. The truth is, AI is changing the way we live, work, and spend our money, and it's happening fast. The rise of AI has sparked a lot of concerns, and rightfully so. One of the biggest worries is job displacement. As AI takes over more and more tasks, what happens to the people who used to do them? Will we see a mass unemployment crisis, or will new jobs emerge that we can't even imagine yet? Another concern is privacy. With AI-powered devices listening and watching our every move, how do we protect our personal data? And finally, there's the issue of dependency. As we become more reliant on AI, do we risk losing our critical thinking skills and autonomy? Another issue with AI is its potential to exacerbate existing social and economic inequalities. For example, those who already have access to AI-powered tools and technology may have an unfair advantage over those who don't. This could widen the gap between the haves and have-nots, leading to even more social and economic unrest. Furthermore, AI systems can perpetuate biases and stereotypes, leading to discriminatory outcomes. For instance, AI-powered facial recognition systems have been shown to be less accurate for people of color, leading to false arrests and misidentifications. And finally, there's the risk of AI being used for malicious purposes, such as spreading disinformation or perpetuating cyber attacks. From smart thermostats to personal finance apps, AI is integrated into nearly every aspect of our lives. We can talk to our devices, and they'll respond with answers, reminders, and even jokes. Our homes are becoming smarter, with lights that turn on and off with a single voice command, and appliances that order groceries for us when we're running low. Even our banks are using AI to detect fraud, offer personalized investment advice, and provide instant loan approvals. And let's not forget about virtual assistants like Alexa, Google Home, and Siri, who are always ready to help us with anything from setting reminders to booking flights. AI is also changing the way we shop and manage our finances. With AI-powered chatbots, we can get instant customer support, track our packages, and even get personalized product recommendations. Our credit scores are being analyzed by AI systems, which can approve or reject loan applications in seconds. And with mobile payment systems, we can transfer money, split bills, and even invest in stocks with just a few taps on our screens. Take the story of Rachel, a single mom who lost her job due to automation. She was struggling to make ends meet until she discovered an AI-powered job placement platform that matched her skills with job openings in her area. Within weeks, she landed a new job that paid better than her previous one, and even offered AI-powered training programs to help her upskill. However, Rachel soon realized that the platform was also using AI to monitor her performance and even her social media activity, which made her feel uneasy about her privacy. This is just one example of how AI can have both positive and negative impacts on our lives. Another example is the use of AI in healthcare. With AI-powered diagnosis systems, doctors can identify diseases more accurately and quickly, saving countless lives. But what about the risk of misdiagnosis, or the lack of transparency in AI decision-making processes? These are just a few of the many challenges we need to address as AI takes over more and more aspects of our lives. Mary, a freelancer, uses an AI-powered accounting app to manage her finances. The app helps her track her expenses, generate invoices, and even calculates her taxes. But what happens when the app makes a mistake, or when Mary's data is compromised? These are just a few of the many questions we need to ask ourselves as we rely more and more on AI. As we've seen today, AI is taking over our daily lives and our wallets in ways both big and small. While it offers many benefits and conveniences, it also raises important concerns about job displacement, privacy, and dependency. So what's the takeaway? AI is a double-edged sword, and it's up to us to use it wisely. Thanks for watching, and if you've had any experiences with AI that you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my next video on tech trends, where I'll be exploring even more ways in which AI is changing the game.